The sunroof! Hi guys, it's Ivor here and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do a car review. Yes, it's the one behind me and it's the Build Your Dreams BYD car. Disclaimer, this is gonna be a girl who doesn't know about cars gonna review a car, so yay! Okay, let's start. Ta-da. Wow. Well, I can't tell if it's turned on or not because I'm so used to the kind of petrol masculine sound. So I think it's on already. Okay, so now we're going to Genting because what they claim is that one charge can drive up to like 450 or 30 km. And yeah, let's try it. We're at 66% now and we're gonna go to Genting, go there and back and forth is like I think 75 km. Yeah, so let's go. Okay, first impression is a very quiet car because I can't, like, even the signals, the indicator, see, it's only and then the other cars with petrols are like tick tock tick tock tick tock tick tock, very anxious one. This is like very calm and like very chill. The brake and the accelerator, like, it's so powerful I can't even tell it's a EV car, a full EV car, because normally I don't know, I think it's like, it's very powerful. It's very powerful. They even have the PCC where they, a type of feature where they make sure that you're on the lane, the same lane. Whenever you want to go out of lane, the wheel of the car will sort of vibrate. They will alert you that, oh, there's another car coming, because they have a lot of camera angles on different sides. See, it's like vibrating already. Yeah, so they make sure you stay on your lane, like your life, okay? Look at the HD camera, it's so clear. It's almost like a Samsung phone. Better than a Samsung phone. No, sorry, better than an Android phone. Yeah, look at that. Every angle they also have a camera. Wow, keep changing. And then like you can, if you switch to vertical, you can see there's a 3 layouts angle that you can see. See? Wow. Okay, we are here and Genting is 36% and we have 174 km left. Okay, let me just switch off and show you how incredible it is to hear the sound. Wait, yeah? Wow. It's like a bird sound. Ta-da! We're in Genting Highlands now. As you can see, there's a lot of mist right here, but it took us around like 1 hour and a half like that. It went from 66% of battery to around like 30 something. So it takes like 30% of battery percentage if you drive around like 1 hour, based on what I know. You can barely hear any engine sound, it's so quiet. And oh, shout out to Flux because you can subscribe. What do you do for a living?
I test drive for a living.
Test drive for a living. And why are you in Genting? Hi BYD, close the window.
Hi BYD.
Close the window. Bye. Anyways, yeah, let's show you the back. I love this design. It's so pretty. Build your dreams. That's what BYD stands for. Wow. Just look at the back. The back looks like you're driving a Porsche but electric vehicle. You know what I mean? Atto 3, guys. Okay, let's see if the trunk can fit a body or not. Automatic. So it comes with a charger like this. And it's so easy because it's a 3-pin plug. You can literally charge anywhere in a cafe or like a house and just charge. I'll show you in a bit. It's a charge in front. But yeah. Yes, I can. Okay, how do you just turn it on? Okay, like that. Ooh. cool, very cool. Okay, and the other thing is the charging port is here, you know. It's not at the back, it's like that. Very cool. Okay, let me show you the tire. The tire has like that. It's very cool. It's like a B design. Okay, just imagine you're sitting at the back of a car and the sunroof is open, you're in Genting, very chill, you're at the Chin Sui temple. Oh, but it suddenly rains. Hi BYD, close the sunshade.
Okay, the sunroof is open.
Oh,
and
wait.
I can only close the blind.
Yeah, that's the thing. Sunshade and sunroof are different things. So, hi BYD. She's a bit lagging. Hi BYD. Close the sunroof. Close the sunroof. Ah, yes. Yeah, now she's working. She's a bit lagging. I think she's British. Ah, shit. That's so cool. Okay, so, hi BYD. Close the sunshade. She's lagging again. Okay. Hi BYD. Hi BYD. She's lagging. Hi BYD.
Rise and shine.
Hi BYD. Close the sunshade.
Okay, close the blind.
Ah, now she's talking. Yay! Look guys, because it suddenly rained and it took some time to like close entirely and like that, so the consequences of it is raining. So more of the story is if you want to own a sunroof, don't own it in Malaysia because you barely can use it when you're driving. You can only look at the stars like that when it's closed, otherwise you get fined. You know what I mean? Guys, you might think that this is just a speaker, right? But no, it has LED that vibrates and changes colors according to the music beat, and this is actually a door. Ta-da! So cool. And this guitar thing, I'm not sure what's the concept behind this, but yeah, you get the idea. And let me show you. Oh my god, it's so cool. Everything's like leather, and then leather in the sense that this one has some holes in it, so it's more like has ventilation at the back. It's very nice. It's very nice. It's very it's very comfortable to like sit in and wherever. Okay, I like everything about this car. It's like very eco-friendly and sustainable, but one thing I hate about it is this aircon design that looks like a shark grill. I don't like it because like what if something like fell into it? It's very hard to like clear out. And also the logo, I mean, that can be a better design. Yeah, you could at least just use like, is this giving Canva? You know what I mean? It's not nice. It's not pretty. Okay, let me show you the screen, what it has to offer. So this is the aircon scene. See, they have like this, and then you can do a maximum when you're on a hot sunny day. Wow. And air purification. Hello, Dyson who? Okay, next one is, okay, let me just flex on this a bit. Wow. Right? Okay, let's go back to home. Now it's like a completely tablet. Yeah, by the way, you can also use Apple CarPlay or Spotify, navigation, radio. It's very cool. And also have parking assistant. And the new energy. Ta-da! This is like a charging settings, reservation charging, consumption, and let you know like, oh, how much you already drive, how much you already driven. And consumption graph. Okay, too technical. So got steering mode. You can choose ambience light, guys. See, let me just try. Okay, it's not showing because it's day now, but yeah. Vehicle health. Okay, show this that. Oh, very cool, very cool. Yeah, I think that's about it. Oh, they also have is this driving recorder. So basically, they have a built-in, what's that called? Camcorder. It's built in, so you can play back list. They have a memory card inside already. Wow, so worth it. It comes with a camera like that, and it's because it's a bit blurry because it's raining. Okay, I just got back home from Genting and it's around like 22%, and now I can charge. Because since the battery plug is a 3-pin plug, I can literally charge anywhere, right? So I have I'm gonna charge it from my home. I got an extension because it's too short to connect to my car, but I'm not sure if I can do that because I'm afraid that the voltage is too much to handle from the extension, but let's try. Okay, how do we do this? Okay. Oh, it's charging! So easy! That's all? See? It's blinking, charging means it's charging. And legit, I'm not even kidding, they use 3-pin plug only, the one that you have it in anywhere in your house. So easy, see? That's all. So I just leave it there for 1 hour. Honestly, I just leave it there. Like 1 hour, they'll just finish charging on its own. Hold on. Let me just add on one thing because I thought the 3-pin plug was so convenient I could charge at home. But it turns out it took 24 hours to charge the car fully to 100%. And apparently the 1 hour fully charged thing only works at some designated electric charging station. As you can see, like a shopping mall or petrol stations that you need to pay for like 6 ringgit to 10 ringgit just to charge for 1 hour. And then imagine how inconvenient it is to leave your car there at a petrol station for 1 hour. You just like, and not every petrol station have that. Yeah, it's very hard to find. For my area lah, I mean like somewhere near in Putra Heights, Subang there, it's so hard to find. So conclusion is, it might be good if you're living in near to a charging station, then you can just walk home or whatever. But it's at this point in Malaysia, it's very inconvenient to find a charging station. Honestly, overall, I am very satisfied with this car, even though I don't own it. But if I didn't buy my Proton X50, I would have bought this. Wait, but the price is like double the price because I bought the executive Proton X50 is like 80,000 K, and then this is like 160 K like that. So it's like double the price. But it saves the petrol though. But what I don't like about this is that they said the spare part is very expensive. Like, if the battery goes faulty or whatever, it can cost up to like, I don't know, 20 to 30K or 50K to replace the battery. So yeah, and we'll just wait until the general world or the government install more charging ports or make the battery more affordable or more green or cheaper. Then yeah, I'll consider the EV. So that's all. Thank you for watching A Girl Who Doesn't Know About Cars, and yeah, I hope you like it. Bye!